Welcome to StarWatch Now, your front row seat to all the hottest gossip, drama, and breaking news from the world of entertainment. If it's trending, shocking, or star-studded, we're covering it. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
Welcome back to StarWatch Now. Today's story is one that has sparked conversations far beyond the world of entertainment. On April 29, an announcement linked to Beijing Yingke law firm drew significant public attention as reports emerged that Wang Yibo had prevailed in a legal dispute involving online statements that were found to have damaged his reputation. What began as a case concerning one celebrity quickly evolved into a broader discussion about accountability, respect, and the responsibilities that come with living in an increasingly connected world. In an age where a single post can reach thousands within minutes, many people have begun asking an important question. Where should the boundary lie between expressing an opinion and causing harm through unfounded claims? For Wang Yibo's supporters, this outcome represented justice. For neutral observers, it offered an opportunity to reflect on the impact our words can have. And for society as a whole, it served as a reminder that the digital world is not separate from the principles that guide our everyday lives. Stay with us as we take a closer look at the events surrounding this widely discussed case and explore why so many people believe this story carries a message that extends far beyond the entertainment industry. According to information that was publicly disclosed, the case involved online remarks published between October 25 and November 25, 2025. It was reported that these statements lacked a factual basis and negatively affected Wang Yibo's reputation. After legal proceedings took place, the court ultimately supported the claims relating to the protection of reputation rights and ordered the responsible party to fulfill specific legal obligations. News of the ruling quickly spread across social media platforms. Many supporters expressed relief, while others viewed the case as a meaningful example of how established legal processes can address situations involving harmful online conduct. Although celebrities often exist under intense public scrutiny, this case reminded audiences that public figures also possess the same legal rights to dignity and reputation as any other individual. For those who have followed Wang Yibo's career over the years, the story carried additional emotional significance. Known for his achievements as an actor, performer, professional racer, and brand ambassador, Wang Yibo has consistently maintained a demanding schedule while remaining one of the most recognizable young stars in the Chinese entertainment industry. Alongside admiration and success, however, visibility often comes with challenges. The greater the spotlight becomes, the greater the volume of public discussion surrounding every aspect of a celebrity's life. Praise and encouragement frequently exist alongside criticism and speculation. Yet many people believe there remains an important distinction between constructive commentary and statements that extend beyond reasonable boundaries. Perhaps one reason this story resonated so strongly with audiences is because it touched upon experiences that many ordinary individuals understand. Although the scale may differ dramatically, countless people have encountered situations involving misunderstandings, false assumptions, or remarks that caused emotional distress. The desire to be treated fairly is universal. According to publicly discussed information related to the case, the court determined that certain online content constituted insulting and defamatory conduct. The responsible individual was reportedly required to issue a public apology, remove the infringing content, and provide compensation associated with emotional distress and legal expenses. Among all aspects of the ruling, the public apology attracted particularly widespread attention. Why? Because apologies carry emotional weight. They represent acknowledgement, they reflect accountability, and they signal that actions have consequences. Reports indicated that the written apology acknowledged the absence of factual support behind the published remarks and recognized the negative impact these statements had caused. The apology also included an expression of regret and a commitment to exercise greater care regarding future online conduct. For many supporters, this moment symbolized closure. For others, it served as a reminder that online interactions involve real people with genuine emotions and reputations. Interestingly, discussions surrounding the case soon expanded beyond Wang Yibo himself. commentators began examining the wider issue of online civility and the increasing need to foster healthier digital communities. The internet has transformed modern life in extraordinary ways. It enables people separated by oceans to connect through shared interests. It allows artists to communicate directly with audiences. It creates opportunities for creativity, education, and collaboration. Yet alongside these benefits come responsibilities. The speed at which information spreads means that inaccurate claims can sometimes travel remarkably far before corrections emerge. Emotional reactions may encourage impulsive responses. Anonymous environments can occasionally reduce awareness of the consequences associated with online behavior. As a result, many experts have emphasized the importance of developing stronger digital literacy skills, taking a moment to verify information before sharing it, considering whether comments contribute positively to discussion, remembering that disagreement does not require disrespect. These seemingly simple habits can collectively shape the quality of our online spaces. For Wang Yibo's fan community, the outcome also reinforced values that many supporters have attempted to promote for years. Rather than responding to negativity with hostility, numerous fans encouraged one another to focus attention on celebrating achievements, supporting positive initiatives, and maintaining respectful dialogue. In this sense, the story evolved into something larger than entertainment news. It became a conversation about culture. What kind of online environment do we wish to create? How can admiration coexist with empathy? What responsibility accompany the freedom to communicate instantly with millions of people? These questions affect everyone, regardless of whether they closely follows celebrity news. Another element that captured public interest involved the legal representation associated with the proceedings. Information that circulated publicly referenced Beijing Yingke law firm and legal professionals experienced in matters relating to reputation rights and internet-related disputes. For many observers, this reinforced the perception that the issue had been addressed through structured legal channels rather than emotional confrontation. This distinction mattered because instead of escalating conflict through public exchanges, the situation demonstrated an alternative path, one centered upon evidence, procedure, and confidence in institutions designed to resolve disagreements fairly. Of course, no legal outcome can entirely erase the emotional difficulties associated with harmful experiences. However, many people viewed this case as an encouraging reminder that formal mechanisms exist to protect individuals when appropriate standards are crossed. As public discussions continued, another theme emerged repeatedly: compassion. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, it can be easy to forget that every trending topic involves human beings. Artists experience pressure, fans experience concern, families experience worry. Behind every headline stand individuals navigating circumstances that may remain invisible to outsiders. Recognizing this shared humanity does not require unanimous agreement on every issue. It simply invites us to approach conversations with greater care. Perhaps this explains why the story resonated beyond Wang Yibo's existing fanbase. People were not merely observing a legal case. They were witnessing a narrative involving challenge, perseverance, and resolution. A person faced adversity. A structured process unfolded. An outcome emerged. In many ways, this follows one of the oldest storytelling patterns in human history: difficulty, determination, hope, resolution. Audiences naturally connect with journeys that reaffirm values they wish to believe in: fairness, responsibility, respect, integrity. For some viewers, the case reinforced confidence that dignity deserves protection, regardless of status or profession. For others, it encouraged reflection regarding their own online habits. Do we pause before sharing information? Do we consider the impact our words may have? Do we contribute towards understanding or division? Small choices repeated consistently possess remarkable influence. It is also worth noting that many educators and community leaders have highlighted the importance of encouraging younger generations to develop healthy communication practices from an early age. While laws play an essential role in addressing serious situations, cultivating empathy and critical thinking may help prevent harm before it occurs. Building a more positive digital environment is therefore not the responsibility of any single institution. It requires collective effort. Platforms, families, schools, communities, and individual users all contribute to shaping the tone of online interactions. Whether one views this story primarily through the lens of entertainment, law, or social responsibility, its broader message remains strikingly relevant. Words matter. Actions have consequences. Respect strengthens communities, and kindness should never be underestimated. As discussions surrounding digital accountability continue evolving across societies worldwide, stories such as this may encourage people to engage more thoughtfully with the immense communication tools available today. Perhaps that is why this particular case attracted such widespread attention. Not simply because a well-known celebrity prevailed in a legal dispute, but because many people recognized something universal within it. The hope that fairness remains possible, the belief that dignity deserves protection, and the understanding that creating healthier communities begins with individual choices made every single day. Before we conclude today's story, we would love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe that cases like this can encourage more respectful online interactions? What steps do you think all of us can take to contribute towards a kinder digital environment? Share your perspectives respectfully in the comments below. If you enjoy thoughtful coverage exploring the latest developments from the world of Chinese entertainment, please consider subscribing to StarWatch Now and turning on notifications so you never miss our future updates. We are committed to bringing you engaging stories, balanced perspectives, and meaningful conversations that go beyond the headlines. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Your support means the world to this growing community. Until next time, stay safe, stay kind, and remember that even the smallest act of understanding can make a meaningful difference. This is StarWatch Now. We'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.